Hey guys, good evening. Guys, if you are able to see my screen, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started. Thanks for the confirmation, guys. So we'll continue with the session. So let me switch to the workspace here. Just give me a second. Okay. Let me launch the Eclipse IDE. Meanwhile, also we'll look into the test case number. So yesterday till where we have automated, guys, I think till sixth test case, right? Now we are into the seventh test case. We'll try to automate good number of test cases today also. We'll start with the seventh test case. Verify different ways of navigating to register account page is the test case. Okay. Verify different ways of navigating to the register account page is the test case. There is a seventh test case under register account functionality we are going to automate. Let's first understand the test case, guys. We need to verify the different ways of navigating to the register account page in the application. First, we need to open the application URL. First, we need to open the application URL. What is the first way of navigating to the register account page? The first way to navigate to the register account page is click on my account and select register option and see whether we have navigated to the register page or not. We have to verify. That is the first way. Okay. And then the second way is that I need to click on my account drop menu and then navigate to the login page. Okay. On the login page, I need to click on the continue button inside the new customer box. So what I have to do next is I need to click on my account, then select login. After going to the login page, here under the new customer box, we have the continue button. If you click on the continue button, again you will come to the register page. We have to verify whether we have successfully navigated to the register page or not. Okay. Now third thing is we have to repeat the steps 3 and 4. That is again we have to click on my account, go to the login page, click on my account and go to login page. Once you go to the login page on the right side, you see a register option, right? We need to select, okay? We need to select the register option from the right column options, okay? From the right column options, we need to select the register option and we should be again taken to the register account page. These are the multiple ways of navigating to the register page, okay? Wherever you are, if you want to come to the register page, these are the multiple ways. From my account drop menu, that's one way. And from login page, two ways are there, okay? I'm going to automate that whether successfully we are able to navigate to the register account page by selecting the register option from the different pages or not. I'm going to show you. Okay. So let's begin. So for that to happen, guys, let me expand this project, expand this okay category, and here I'm going to create a new file, test case register account functionality 007. Okay. Click on finish. Once you click on finish, the class will be created. Inside the class, we need to create a method that is public void verify navigating verify different ways of navigating to register account page. Okay, register account page. This is the method name I am giving, and here I'll provide this with @test annotation. Now hold the mouse on this @test and import it from testng library. Once that is done, I need to write the code. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, driver is called new Chrome driver, Control Shift O. Then write down driver.manage window dot maximize driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait, then say duration dot off seconds and give 3 seconds here. Then say driver dot get command. In the get command, provide the application page URL. Give this application page URL here. Once I give the application page URL, guys, then I need to select the my account drop menu. I need to click on the my account drop menu. So copy this, create an XPath expression, double / span text function is equal to in single quotes my account. Okay, this XPath expression which is locating the my account drop menu. Copy this XPath expression, come back here and simply write down driver dot find element by dot XPath, provide the XPath expression of the my account drop menu and say dot click. Once I click on this my account drop menu, I need to select the register option. Again, I need to inspect this register option. And here in between the anchor tags, we have the register text. Copy this and simply write down driver dot find element by dot link text, provide the link text locator and say dot click. It will select the register option. Once the register option is selected, we need to verify whether we have navigated to the register account page. You see, expected result 1 is there here. Okay, ER1, that is user should be taken to the register account page. We have to verify. To verify that, I'll write assert dot assert true. Okay, here I need to write something. That is, to see whether we are in the register account page, we need to verify for this register breadcrumb. Okay, if the register breadcrumb is coming means we are on the register account page. Simply inspect this register breadcrumb, and here breadcrumb is there. Copy this, Control F UL at the rate class is equal to view that breadcrumb. Under the breadcrumb, double forward slash anchor tag having the text is equal to register, having the text function. Text function is equal to register, I'll write. So this will locate the register breadcrumb. If the register breadcrumb is coming means we are on the register account page. So to prove that, I'll simply write down driver.find element by dot xpath, give the xpath expression of that register breadcrumb and say dot is displayed. If this is displayed is returning true means we have successfully navigated to the register account page and the test will pass. And the second way of navigating to the register account page is again I need to click on the my account drop menu and then click on the login option this time. Okay. So the same step will be repeated, driver.find element by .xpath. Okay, I need to click on the my account drop menu. And after clicking on the my account drop menu, I need to select the login option. Inspect this, and this is a anchor tag, link text. Copy this link text, guys. Simply write down driver.find element by link text, provide the link text locator, and say dot click. Once I select this login option, you will be taken to the login page. On the login page, guys, okay, on the login page, in the new customer box, I need to click on the continue button. I have to right click on the continue button and inspect that continue button. And this HTML code I'm getting. Anchor tag is there, continue text is there, class is there. Copy this class and create an XPath expression double forward slash A at the rate class is equal to that multiple classes that are there in the thing. And then text function is equal to continue. Okay. Like this, I'll write the XPath expression, which is locating the continue button in the new customer box. Okay, copy this XPath expression and simply write down the code driver dot find element by dot XPath. Provide the XPath expression of that continue button in the new box field. New, what was that? New customer field, new customer box, and say dot click. Okay, once you click on the continue button, you should be taken to the account success page. How to verify that your account register account page. How to verify that you have navigated register account page again using the same breadcrumb. Just copy paste this line, guys. You have to use the same one here. Okay, the second test will be done. Okay, second verification, second way of navigating also is verified here. Okay, using the assert statement of test engine. Now third way here is again I need to go to the login page, select, click on my account and select login option, should be taken to the login page here. For that to happen, already we have written the code, guys. We clicked on the my account and selected the login option here. Once we go there, I need to simply click on the register option, which is on the right column. Inspect this register option on the right column. And here, okay, so ID column right is there. Copy this or whatever. Okay, column right, under that control F double slash A side at the rate ID is equal to column right, under that double backward forward slash A, then text is equal to text function is equal to register. I'll write. Let's see whether it will be located or not. You see it's getting located only one element. Fine, this is getting located. Register option on the right column is getting located with this XPath expression. Copy this XPath expression and simply write down driver dot find element by dot XPath. Provide the XPath expression of that thing and say dot click. Once you click on that register option on the right column, then we need to verify whether we are getting navigated to the register account page or not. Okay. So when you select this, you should be taken to the register account page. We have to verify that register breadcrumb is coming by using this assert statement. Same verification is for every way of navigating. Okay. Once all these verifications are there, done, I'll just quit the browser, driver.quit. That's it. Okay. I'll quit the browser. So this is how we need to automate this seventh test case, guys. Seventh test case, we have to automate like this. Okay. This is a way to automate the seventh test case. Let's see whether this particular automation script is working fine or not. For that, I'll right click here and say run as test-ng test. Let's see what will happen. Should open the browser, maximize the browser, open the application page URL, and then should take us to the register account page using multiple ways. You see, 3 ways. It verified and all the ways got passed and the test case also got passed. So everyone is fine with this automation of the third, the seventh test case is clear for everyone, guys. Is seventh test case clear for everyone? How to automate? Any questions, any doubts here? Anyone? If it is clear, just type C in the chat box, guys. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me the questions.
Yes, sir.
Clear, na? Okay. Great, good to know. Seventh is done, guys. Then we'll go with the eighth one. That is verify registering an account by entering different passwords into the password and confirm password confirm fields. So while creating an account, okay, so what is this particular test case all about that we have to automate is we have to go to the register account page. In the register account page, while we have to fill all the details, all the proper details into all the fields like first name, last name, email, telephone, newsletter, privacy policy. But into the password fields, you have to enter one variety of password into the password field and a different password into the password confirm field. For example, if you enter 12345 into the password field, you have to enter ABCD into the password confirm field. If you are entering these two different passwords into the password and password confirm fields, in that case, passwords have not matched. This kind of warning message should come. Password confirmation does not match password. Okay, password confirmation does not match password kind of warning message we should get. Okay, under the password confirm field, we should get this. Okay, so for example, I'll show you here. I'll enter all the proper details here. I'll enter all the proper details here. After entering all the proper details here, I'll enter the telephone here. I'll enter 12345 as the password here. A, B, C, D, E. A different password I'm entering into the password confirm field. Then click on continue button. Then we should get a warning message on this application page, guys. Then we should get a warning message on this application page. You see, password confirmation does not match password should come. Okay, this warning message we should get. Password confirmation does not match password is a warning message we should get under the password confirm field. So this is what we need to verify. If this warning message is coming means the application functionality is working fine. Okay, when you enter a different passwords into the password and password confirm fields which are not matching, then it's a valid thing that this kind of warning message should come and account should not get created. Simple. Okay. So let's automate this particular test case, guys. For automating the test case, I'll go to this application page URL and again, I'll go to this Eclipse ID and okay, I'll just create a new test case. TC underscore RF underscore 008. Okay. Click on finish. Public void verify restring account using by providing mismatched passwords. Okay, like this some name I'll give that we can understand. At the rate test annotation, at the rate test annotation over the mouse from testmg we have to import this at the rate test annotation, and after that write the code. Web driver is equal to new chrome driver. Web driver is equal to new chrome driver. Then control shift O, then write down driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, then say driver dot get. Then before that, write down driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait, then duration dot off seconds, which is a common code in every test, right? So here in driver dot get, provide this application page URL, paste it here, and simply write down. I need to navigate to the register account page. Okay, inspect this my account drop menu, create an XPath expression here. Slash double forward slash span text function is equal to this particular text. Okay, this will locate the my account drop menu. Copy this XPath expression and simply write down driver dot find element by dot XPath. Provide the XPath expression and simply say dot click. Okay. Once I click on this my account drop menu, I need to select the register option. Inspect this register option and this anchor tag, link text driver dot find element by dot link text, provide the link text locator of the register option and simply say dot click. This will select the register option. Once you select the register option, you'll be taken to the register account page. Once I go to the register account page, guys, okay, I need to enter all the proper details except this password and password comes from, I need to leave it. Okay. First, I'll inspect the first name field and here ID locator for the first name field is there. I'll just go here and write down driver dot find element by dot ID, provide the ID locator of the first name field and simply say dot send keys. I'll give my first name, valid first name, that is Arun. Okay. Then driver dot find element by dot ID. Okay. Here double quotes and give the ID locator of the last name field and say send keys. I'll give the last name of mine, that is Motori. And here I'll inspect the last name field. I need to inspect the last name field. And then here we have the ID, guys. Copy this ID, and come back here and paste that here. Okay. Then once Arun is there here, then Motori is there here. Okay, then inspect this email address field. Copy this ID and write down driver dot find element, by dot ID, provide the ID locator of the email field and say dot send keys. Okay, here I should not be entering any hard-coded email address, because every time you have to enter a brand new email address means you have to keep on updating the script, which is of high maintenance. So instead, I'll call this particular method that we have created under the common utilities class of this, generate brand new email method. Okay, generate brand new email method we have created already, which will generate a brand new email address when you call it. Okay, return you the brand new email address with timestamp when you call it. It's a part of the common utilities we have created as part of the previous test cases under the SRC main Java of utils package. Okay. To get that, simply write down, it is a static method, guys. This is static method, so we can directly use a class name to call this method. So simply common utils dot common utilities, right? Utilities dot generate brand new email. That's it. Okay, simple. This is also done. Then some brand new email address will be entered, guys. Okay, we don't know what is that email address. I'll just randomly enter one thing and then inspect the telephone field. Inspect the telephone field. Copy this telephone field ID locator of the telephone field by dot ID, provide the ID locator of the telephone field and say dot send keys, give the telephone number as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, this is a telephone number. Okay, once I enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, then into the password, I have to give one password into the password field and a different password which doesn't match with this password field, entered password into the password confirm field, so that both the passwords should not match. Okay, and the account should not get created. We should get a warning message. That's okay. Inspect this password field. Copy this ID of the password field and simply write down driver dot find element by dot ID, provide the ID locator of the password field and simply say dot send keys, give the password as some password like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now, if you enter 1 2 3 4 5 here and inspect this and enter a different password into the password confirm field, when I inspect the password confirm field, we got the ID for the password confirm field. Copy that and here write down driver.find element by dot ID, provide the ID locator of the password confirm field and say dot send keys. And here you can give a different password. It can be anything like ABCDE or 67890. It can be anything. That's okay. Okay. Just give a different password 67890. That's okay. And you don't have to select anything. That's okay. Yes or no, doesn't matter. Okay. If you want to select, you can select also. Inspect this. Copy this. Control F double slash input at the rate name is equal to newsletter at the rate value is equal to 1. If I create this path, it will locate the S radio button. Copy this and simply write down driver dot find element by dot XPath, give the XPath expression of the SRadio button and simply say dot click. This will click on the SRadio button. Once it selects the SRadio button, I need to select the privacy policy field. Inspect this privacy policy field and here name locator is there. Copy this name locator and come back here and write down driver dot find element by dot name locator. Provide the name locator of the and say dot click, right? Dot click. It will select the privacy policy checkbox field. Inspect this continue button, guys. Inspect this continue button. Copy this. Control F double slash input at the rate value is equal to continue. At the rate value is equal to continue. Give that XPath expression and it will locate the continue button, guys. Copy this XPath expression and here write down driver dot find element by dot XPath. Provide the XPath expression of the continue button and simply say dot click. The moment when you provide the different passwords into the password field and confirm password field or password confirm field, and if you try to create an account by clicking on the continue button, then what should happen, guys? The account should not get created. Rather, a warning message should come. What is the expected warning message? Password confirmation does not match password. This is a warning message which we got from the client requirements. Expected warning. Expected warning is equal to give that in double quotes here. Now write the assertion, guys. Assert equals. Assert equals in the second argument you pass this expected warning, and here we need to retrieve the warning message from this page. Click on the continue button and see This warning message is coming. Inspect this. How to retrieve that particular warning message tag? Inspect that. And here we have the ID. Copy this ID and simply write down /input @ID is equal to give the ID locator of that password confirm field. Under that, there is a div tag. To go to the div tag, have to write XPath access, that is following hyphen sibling div. This will locate the div tag. Copy this XPath expression, guys. Copy this XPath expression which is locating this, and then come back here and write down driver dot find element by dot. Okay, driver dot find element by dot XPath. Give the XPath expression of that thing, and simply say dot get text. If the retrieved warning message, actual warning message is matching with the expected warning message, the test will pass. Otherwise, the test will fail. I'll simply say driver.fit here to close the browser once the test execution is completed. So let's see whether the script will pass or fail. That script will pass, guys. Okay, it's working fine manually, so it's most probably it's going to work fine. Run the test. Let's hope for the best and see. It will open the browser, maximize the browser, open the application, go to the register account page, enter all the details, different passwords into the, and you see you got the warning message and it has closed the browser. Okay, fine. The test got passed. As expected, it is behaving, guys. Okay, it's getting the warning message, so the test got passed. Everyone clear with this particular test case? How to automate this particular test case is clear for everyone. Test case number 8 is clear. Any doubts, any questions you have? The test case number 8. Just type C in the chat box, guys, if you are clear with the 8th test case. These are not challenging test cases, guys. I understand. On Monday, we are going to have one challenging test case. On Monday, we are going to have another challenging test case, guys. That will come somewhere here. That is second one was challenging with the email part, and remaining were kind of easy only. Okay, even the 7, 8 are also easy. Okay, then 9 is also fine. Okay, this is also easy. But 10th one, okay, 10th one may need some kind of stuff. Okay, 10th one may be kind of different. Okay, verification by providing an invalid email address into the email field is something which we are going to learn something new in the 10th test case. But today, whatever I'm going to cover are a few test cases. That is 7th test case I covered, 8th test case, and last test case for today is the 9th test case, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to cover the 10th test case. Not tomorrow, that is on Monday I'm going to cover the 10th test case, where we are going to learn something new. Okay. Meanwhile, if you guys want to try this test case number 10, you can still try it. Okay. You can still try it, guys. Okay. So fine. 9th test case I'm going to show you right now. Okay, fine. Try to automate the 10th test case by yourself and see how many will be able to do it on before Monday itself. Okay. So I'll give you this assignment for this weekend, guys, and try this 10th test case. Don't depend on me for everything, right? Though I'm going to give the solution for the 10th test case on Monday, but still I'm giving an option for you to automate the 10th test case. Okay, without depending on me. So are you guys ready to automate the 10th test case? Just type ready in the chat box, guys. Whoever is ready to automate this, try this test case number 10 and see whether they can succeed or not. If you are ready, just type ready in the chat box. Let's see how many people will try this on the weekend and try to get this automation code for automating the 10th test case. Okay. This kind of challenge, it is challenging test case, guys, but try it. Okay. When you try challenging test case, remaining all will be very easy, right? Simple. Okay. Great, guys. Good thing, guys. Okay. Just try it at least, okay? Try your level best and use ChatGPT, use YouTube, whatever you want. Try to automate the 10th test case and get some ideas and try to automate it, okay? That's what you have to do. It will be very difficult, I know, but try it out, okay? Fine. So now the remaining test case for today is the 9th test case, guys. Verify registering an account by providing the existing account details, okay? So what will happen, guys, if you try to create an account, here I'll give a proper password only, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also proper password. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only I'll give. But here into the email address field, I'll give an email address for which account already exists. For example, this is an email address for which account already exists. Okay. If I click on the continue button, what will happen, guys? Will the account get created for second time for the same email address? In this application, will the account will get created for second time for the same email address? No. Account will not get created. Rather, a warning message saying email address that is already registered should come. As per the test case, as per the expected behavior of the functionality of this particular register account functionality of the application, when a user tries to create multiple accounts with the same email address, For second time, when the user tries with the same email address, this kind of warning message should come. Account should not get created. Got it, guys? Clear? Clear with the test case? What we have to automate? We have to verify registering an account by providing the existing email details. That is an existing email address. Okay, open the application URL, click on the My Account drop menu, click on the register option, then enter all the details like first name, last name. Okay, for email, guys, refer test data. Okay, this is the test data, first name, last name. For email, existing email address we have to give, some existing email address we have to give, and then click on the continue button. After filling all the details, we have to click on the continue button. What should happen? Account should not be created again. Instead, the warning message, warning message saying, warning, email address is already registered should come. The warning message saying this particular message should come for us. Okay, that's what we have shown you, right? This warning, email address is already registered should come. Okay, that's what is the requirement. So let's go to the home page of the application. Let's go to this particular test case, guys. Let's go to this Eclipse ID and create a new test case. Test case register functionality 009. Okay, finish. Just create a method here that is public void verify restring account with duplicate email address, duplicate or existing email address, okay, existing email address. Like that, some reasonable name you give for the method and convert this method into the test method by adding @test annotation here. Over the mouse on this @test and import this from test library, and here write down web driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay. Then Control Shift O, then write down driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, then say driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait, then duration dot off seconds, just give some 3 seconds here, then simply say driver dot get here, provide the application page URL, guys. What is the application page URL? This is the application page URL. Okay, give that application page URL. Once you give that application page URL here, I need to click on the my account. I need to go to the register account page, click on the my account drop menu, inspect that my account drop menu, and here the HTML code will come. Copy this text between the tags, Control F, span text function is equal to the copied value, that is text between the tags, and this XPath expression is located in the my account drop menu. Copy this XPath expression and come back here and write down driver.find element by dot XPath, give the XPath expression of the my account drop menu and simply say dot click. Okay, once I click on this my account drop menu, I need to select the register option, inspect this register option. So this register text is between the anchor tag, so it can be used as a link text locator. Copy this and here write down driver dot find element by dot link text, provide the link text locator and simply say dot click. Okay, it will select the register option, guys. Once it select the register option, you are on the register account page. Again, I need to fill all the details, but into the email address field, I need to give an email for which account already exists. Inspect this first name field, copy this ID locator of the first name field and simply write down driver.find element by dot ID, provide the ID locator of the first name field and simply say dot send keys and give a valid first name here, that is Arun. Okay, let's say. Then after entering Arun here, Arun text here, inspect this last name. It has an ID. Copy this ID and write down driver dot find element by dot ID. Provide the ID locator of the last name field and simply say dot set keys. And here type my last name, that is Motori. Okay. Once I type Arun and Motori here, then I'll inspect the email field. Inspect this email field, guys. Here an ID is there. Copy this ID. Write down driver.find element by.id. Provide the ID locator of the email field and say dot send keys. And here I need to give an existing email address. Okay. So let's find an existing email address. For example, one of the existing email address is amotorycap1 at the rate gmail.com. I'll give that, which is an existing email address for which account already exists. And then here I need to inspect the telephone field, copy the ID locator of the telephone field and simply write down driver.find element by dot ID locator of the telephone field and simply say dot send keys, give the telephone number, that is 123456789 guys, put a semicolon here and then that's it. After entering this telephone number, then inspect this password field. And here I need to copy the ID locator of the password field and simply write down driver.find element by dot ID of the password field and simply give a proper password. That is, I'll give 12345 as the password. That's okay. And I'll inspect this. Okay. After entering 12345 here, if I inspect this password confirm field, I'll take this ID, guys, copy this ID and simply write down driver dot find element by dot id, provide the id locator of the password confirm field and say send keys. And here I need to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Okay, put a semicolon. Then I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And I need to select the S radio button, inspect that, copy this name locator and value should be 1. Okay, name should be newsletter and value should be 1. So input tag name, copy this newsletter and create an XPath expression, double slash input, at the rate, name is equal to newsletter and at the rate, value is equal to 1. Just give 1 here. And this XPath expression, guys, for locating this S radio button here and simply write down driver dot find element by dot XPath, give the XPath expression of this S radio button and say dot click. This will select the S radio button. Once the S radio button gets selected, I need to select the privacy policy field. Inspect this privacy policy field. Okay, inspect this privacy policy field. And here, name locator should come. Okay, copy this name. And here, driver dot find element by dot name, provide the name locator and simply say dot click. Okay, the privacy policy option should be selected. Now I need to click on the continue button, inspect this continue button, and I need to create an XPath expression for the continue button. Control F double slash input at the rate value is equal to continue. Okay, this XPath expression for locating the continue button. Copy the XPath expression and simply write down driver dot find element by dot what was that? XPath, right? XPath. Give the XPath expression of that continue button and say dot click, guys. Once I click on the continue button on the that thing, I should be taken to the I should be getting this warning message, guys. So what is expected warning message after I click on the continue button? This is expected warning message as per the client requirement. Copy this from the test case document, the expected requirement, expected warning message, string expected warning I have to say. Warning is equal to give that warning message, put a semicolon. Okay, then here write down what I have to write down here, guys. Asset equals I have to write. Okay, and in that the second argument should be this expected warning, and the first argument I have to inspect this warning message. Inspect that this particular warning message is displayed in between the div tags. Okay, this is starting of the div tag, ending of the here warning message is there. To get that warning message, can I use a class locator here? Tell me, guys, can I use a class locator here? ID is not there, name is not there. Can I use class locator here? What do you say? Can I use a class locator to locate this element, yes or no? We cannot use class locator. We cannot use class locator. What is the reason? Here single class is there or multiple classes are there here? Here single class is assigned to the class attribute or multiple classes are there. Alert is one class. Alert hyphen danger is another class. Alert hyphen dismissible is another class. Here three classes are there which are assigned to the class. Which class I have to give? We cannot even give single class also. So class locator will not work when you have multiple classes assigned to the class attribute. So what we have to do, guys, if there are multiple classes, better to go with what? XPath expression. Copy all these classes of this class attribute. Okay, Control F, double slash div at the rate class is equal to all the multiple classes provided inside a single quotes. So this will locate the warning message. Copy this and here write down, come back here and write down driver dot find element. Here elements may come sometimes, guys. Make sure that you are typing element by dot XPath. Give the XPath expression of the class locator and simply say dot. The text is between the div tags. You see the text is between the div tags. So dot get text. Dot get text you can say. Okay, that's it. Now, after verifying that, simply quit the browser. Done? Clear everyone? How to write this? This part is clear for everyone, right? How did we create the XPath expression and all? So a lot of people think that if there are multiple classes, we can use class locator. Don't use class locator, guys. When there are multiple class locators available, okay, classes available assigned to the class attribute in the HTML code of that particular element, better to go with the XPath expression instead. Okay, so that's one thing you have to understand. Okay, let me run the script and see whether the test is working fine or not.
So
Yes,
the sibling, the div sibling.
div sibling. We don't have to give here. We don't have to give div sibling here. Why? Because this thing is already coming, right? You see, if you inspect this, for the in the between the div tags only it is there. I'm directly giving this. I'm directly locating the div element itself. Okay, there's no need for this fields. Some div the messages are coming below the text fields. For them, See, following sibling may be required, but for this one, following sibling is not required. Okay. Is that fine? For this, directly you locate the div tag, that is enough. Okay. This particular
Yes.
div tag has a message, right? That's okay. You don't have, if you're able to create a proper XPath expression here, that's okay. Or you can do something like this, okay? You can take the help of this ID and under that ID, okay, another div tag. That is a complex process. Why to go with that, okay? Simply copy all these classes and create an XPath expression. That's more better, okay? Simple. So fine. Sometimes, guys, XPath expressions, the knowledge you have in the XPath expressions and CS selectors is also good. Okay, should be good. For you to write the scripts faster and all right. What will stop you? If you are not good with Selenium WebDriver library, or if you are not good with Java, or if you are not good with locators, any of these problems will make you slow, guys. Okay. So even locators also should be good with. Okay. So make sure that you practice XPath expressions. Okay. How to create XPath expressions from scratch. So here, if anyone is there who doesn't know how to write XPath expressions from scratch, then I'm going to give you a resource, guys. Okay. Just this weekend, you can do this. Okay. Just go to my YouTube channel and it's not coming. Yeah. Let it come. Go to my YouTube channel, guys, and search for QFox here. QFox space XPath expressions. Like this, you search and you see, you will get this XPath expressions cheat sheet part one, like that is coming, right? Or this one, full course. This is also fine. Okay. XPath expressions and CS selectors, full course is there. I'll copy this link in the WhatsApp group. You can take it from there. I'll just go here and okay. I'll just post it here. Fine. That's it, guys. Okay. So watch this video, guys. If you are not good with XPath expressions, okay, don't complain. If you want to write the XPath expressions in a super fast way that I am writing before you in every, while I'm automating every test case for you, right? If you are not aware of that, don't take that as a negative thing. Rather, go and watch this video, guys, this weekend and try to, learn how to create XPath expressions from scratch. Each and every example you try to practice, you'll become confident. Okay, simple. Clear, guys? So that's the thing. But when you create, when you try to automate some different functionalities in the application, right, you'll get different type of elements you need to locate, right? While trying to locate different type of elements, different kind of situations will come. Where today, one of the situation came where the class attribute is there, but there are multiple classes. And do we have to use a class locator or XPath? XPath we have to use. How did we learn? By automating that particular test case we have learned. This kind of new things, small things only, but new things you will learn on a regular basis while I keep on automating the test cases. Okay, fine. But whatever the test case I'm choosing for Monday, right? You try it out from your side, okay, and see whether it's okay to fail also, not a problem. If you get a solution, that's all good, okay. But I'm going to demonstrate this on Monday, guys. Be ready for that, okay? The entire session will go for the 10th test case only because I need to explain a lot of stuff there. Okay, fine. So anything else, guys? Have any questions here? Guys, anyone have any questions here? From today's sessions, the three test cases I automated, 7, 8, 9 test cases. Okay, keep automating, guys. Don't wait for me. If you are okay, just keep continue automating the test cases. Okay, and attend my sessions and clear your doubts if you are unable to automate. Okay, that's the best way to do the stuff. Don't stop the journey. Okay, weekend also you try it out and don't waste your time. Simple. So we'll continue and resume again on Monday, guys. So if it is clear, just type C in the chat box, guys. If it is not clear, you can ask me the question.
Sir, upload in GitHub.
Yeah, I'll upload the code into the GitHub. Okay. Yes. Thanks for reminding. I'll upload this code. Okay. So that some people may ask me where are the test cases here in the project only. Okay. There is a test cases folder is there. Under that, I'm uploading this code, right? From there, you can download the test case document also. Whatever test case document I'm showcasing, the test case document you can download from there. Okay. So let me, upload this code and share it with you guys. So I'll go here, Fox, local repos. Okay. Then what was that? This one, Control V, Git status. So daily basis we'll learn something new, guys. Don't worry about that. It will not be routine. Something new I'll explain you every day. Okay. Keep attending every session. So we'll also over a period of time, right? After few test cases are done, after challenging test cases are done, we'll focus on the framework part also. Okay. So be with me. So when I will cover the framework, when I will proceed with the framework building and all, it all depends on the timeline. Okay. What is important at that time when I'm automating, that all depends on. Okay. So TC underscore RF underscore. What are the test cases I automated, guys? 07, 08, and 09. Okay. Automate. Then fine. Gate push origin. Any questions?
Hi, Aaron.
Yes, Nigora.
Uh, I would like to add something. I saw your test cases, RF2, I think. The second one is, could you please open the test cases? Yes, this one, test case RF002. Yeah, how we can
Mhm.
automate these test cases? We can send the email, generate the email
Yes.
with the link, and after extract the content and click on the link. We can do
Yes.
that.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we
We have done
generate the
this.
email.
We have done this, Nigora, already. Completed. This one is completed.
I saw for Amazon, not Tutorials Ninja.
Okay. This one, yeah, the application is not set up with email system, right? So,
Yeah, so
uh,
so it's why I'm saying, so to bypass this scenario, we can do like that. We can generate the sending email,
hmm.
and after extract the email, content of the email, extract
Okay.
the
Okay. Got it. Got
link,
it.
and
Okay.
click on the link.
So you mean to say that artificially you want to generate an email as if you are sending an email. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. As part of the script. Okay. Fine. Great. Great. Okay. Yeah, that is also one way, but not realistic still. But that's okay to just overcome this problem, right? Yeah. In that
yes.
case, it's okay.
So
So have you written any code, Nigora, on this, like for
yes, I
that
did.
purpose? Okay. Can you share in the live automation group so that we can have this discussion in the next sessions? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. In the WhatsApp group, you can paste in the WhatsApp group whatever the code you have written. So you see the new code that I think will be there in your thing is like how to send an email, okay, from your automation script, right? How to generate an email and send it. That's what will be new in your case, I think so. So try to post in the live automation group, Nigora, that part, and we'll discuss that in detail in the next session for sure. Okay.
Uh, you can use this chat in ChatGPT using Apache Commons mail libraries.
Okay.
You, yeah.
Yeah, we can do that. That's okay. But since you already have done the work, right? So why to this phase the time is something that we are expecting. That's okay. If you want to discuss on Monday or something, we'll do that also. Not a problem. Okay. Or is there any way that we can configure this application and download this entire application instead of artificially doing that? That is the best way to try, right? I'm having a meeting tomorrow with Henry. I think I'll just work with him, like how to set up this thing. He has already done things so we'll try to see on Monday. Okay, Nigora. Whatever is the best way, we'll try to do this. Still, this is we have taken an alternative path, but still, if you want to automate this in a proper way, okay, we want the email system to be enabled. So I'm going to work on that, and I'll showcase that on Monday, basically. Okay, and also we'll see your solution also. Second, whatever the alternative solution, right? That also will definitely view on Monday or Tuesday, any of the days, okay? Because on Monday I thought of doing this 10th one, right? 10th one will take some time. If not on Monday, we'll take that particular activity on Tuesday, okay? Either on
Sure.
Monday or Tuesday, we'll do that, okay? With peace of mind, we'll do, okay? Today we don't have much time, so let's not take that out, okay? Fine,
Mhm.
yeah, fine. Thanks, Nigora, for that. Coming forward with that solution, great, okay.
Thank
So I
Sir,
think I
you have
uploaded the code, guys. Yes, yes. I uploaded the code. I'll just share you the code here. Just give me a second. All the test cases are there here. Copy this and just provide this. What is it? Yeah. Yeah. Any questions, anyone? Any remaining questions here? Anyone have any pending questions?
Yes,
I am.
Arun.
Yes.
Arun, this is funny. I'm joining today only.
Okay.
I want to, I mean,
Understand what? Yeah.
how-
I'll tell
test
you.
case.
Funny, what you have to do here is simple. Very simple test cases we are automating. Only second test case was kind of complex. That's okay. So what I
Okay.
recommend you here is just try to go to these recorded videos. Okay.
Okay.
So I think you already have the access right in the
Yeah,
group.
yeah,
All
right, right.
link is there. Open that link and
Okay.
you'll be taken to this folder. Okay. Once you are taken to the folder, right, go into
Okay.
the live implementation project one folder. Okay. In
Okay.
that, whatever the sessions I have taken so far, right, are there
Okay.
here. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay. Just
Yeah.
watch them. Today's will be 5. Okay. Fifth number will
Okay.
come today. So
Okay.
anyhow, we have the weekend, right? So we have the
Yeah.
time till Monday. So watch this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be more than enough for you. It will be very simple and easy. Okay.
Okay.
The first two, if you learn, means remaining three are, just repetition. Okay. Just understanding what's new. Okay. Just having an experience, new experience is the only thing that you will get it. Okay. But try to
Okay.
watch all these 4 videos. That will be more than enough for you. Okay.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
do that. Yeah. Anyone new to this, just do this, guys. Okay. Just go to this, whatever the access we have provided, right? Just watch these 4 videos. You are good to go. Okay. Yeah. Anything else, guys?
Yes, Arun.
Yes, Abby.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Yeah. Tell me,
Yeah,
Abby.
yeah. I just want you to show me something very quickly.
Yeah, sure.
I have some works on my Eclipse
Uh-huh.
ID, and I will be traveling, and they're all on my desktop. So I want you to show me how to import those stuff to my other computer because I'm going to be traveling, and most of the things I've done are on my desktop, and I need to import them from Eclipse ID to my other laptop. So I want you to show me how to.
You want to export this project and import into another laptop, you are saying?
Yes.
Okay. So if you want to export it, AB, what you have to do is right click on the project. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Or else this project is already there. This same project you want to import it? The same project or a different project?
It's a different project, but if you can show me how to
Okay.
do that, then
I'll show
please
you.
share
Don't
me.
worry. Just for example, this is a project here that you have in your current Eclipse ID. Okay. Just right click
Yeah.
here and select export option. Okay.
Okay.
Once you select the export option, then you have some folders coming here. Which one we have to choose here? General. Okay. Just go to the general one. General. Okay.
Okay.
In that export thing, you just select general and simply say archive file. Okay. You have to zip
Yeah.
it and export. Simple. Click on next. And where you want to export it. For example, I want to export it onto my desktop. Okay. I'll just select the desktop location. Here I'll give some name. Okay. That is
Okay.
live implementation project one. Some name I am giving. That's okay. Whatever the name you want to give, you can give that. Click on save. And you see, this is a location where this project will be exported and saved in the zip format. Okay, click on finish. Now this is done, right?
Right.
Exportation is done. Okay. Now what you have to do is, for example, assuming that I have another Eclipse ID, some workspace is there. I'll just go to another place. Let's say this batch 5 place I'll go just for the case. Okay. So I'll just open another workspace and I'll show you as a new user how to import that project. Okay. How to import that
Okay.
project that I'm going to show you. Okay. Once you got that project in a new place where you want to import that project, right? Assuming that new workspace is a new place where you want to get that project. Okay. So go here and here only one project is there. You can see that I want to import that project file, select import option. Once you select the import option, again, earlier export option you selected in you right clicked on the project and selected export option earlier, right? For exporting. But this
Yeah.
time, right click on the project, this time you are selecting the file option and then selecting import file and import. Okay, new project, right? So import the project
Okay.
is file import, then expand this general. What type of file that you are trying to import? Archive file. Okay, but you should not select archive here. What you have to select? Existing projects I want to import. Okay, I want to
Okay.
import the existing projects. Select that and next. Okay, a lot of people do a mistake where they'll directly select the archive file. Don't do that. Even though our project exported project is archive file, don't select that. Select the existing projects into workspace, select next. And in that, select archive file option will be there here. Can you see that? Root directory and archive file. Select this one. Select browse and then go to the location where that zip file project, exported project is there. Select that and say open and say finish. That's it. The project will come here. Got it? It will load.
Okay.
Once loaded, right, all the errors will be gone and you'll get the project here. Okay. You see, the project is there now. Fine. Understood? Maybe
Okay. Okay.
try this out. Okay. Simple. Export and import. Okay.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Welcome. Welcome. Fine then. That's all for today, guys. We have anyhow with the questions also we'll learn a lot of stuff. Keep asking me any question you have, guys. That's also is important. I'll delete this from here. Okay. So if you have any questions also, you can ask me, guys. There's nothing like that. Okay. A lot of people will learn from your questions. So keep asking any challenges, any real-time problems you have, you can ask me. I'll explain, no worries. Okay. Fine then. We'll meet on Monday, guys. Have a good and nice, great weekend. Okay. Try to practice whatever you want and attend the session again on Monday. Okay. Where we are going to solve the next challenge, important challenge, that is the 10th test case. Okay. Till then, bye everyone. See you. Yeah. Bye everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.